Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Ford Ranger. This handy feature allows you to prepare your truck's cabin temperature before you get in. Whether it's a chilly winter morning or a scorching summer afternoon, Remote Start provides a comfortable environment. It's a simple process that adds a touch of modern convenience to your daily routine, making every drive more pleasant from the very beginning. To remote start your Ranger using the key fob, begin by pressing the lock button once to ensure all doors are securely closed. Then, quickly press the remote start button, which often has a 2x icon with a rotating arrow, 2x within 3 seconds. You will see the exterior lights flash twice, confirming the engine has started. If the system fails, the horn may sound. This method works from a distance of up to 300 feet. For even greater control, use the Ford Pass app on your smartphone. After downloading the app and activating your vehicle's Ford Pass Connect modem, simply log in. Go to the vehicle screen, then either slide the start toggle to the far right or press and hold the large engine start button. The app will provide a notification once your Ranger's engine is running. This method also allows you to remotely lock and unlock doors and even schedule future starts. Several conditions must be met for Remote Start to function. The hood must be closed, the transmission in park, and the battery voltage at an adequate level. Your Ranger will run for a preset duration, typically 5, 10, or 15 minutes, which you can extend up to a total of 35 minutes. Remember, it is crucial to only use Remote Start in well-ventilated outdoor areas to prevent dangerous exhaust fume buildup. If the alarm is sounding, Remote Start will not engage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.